Building an evergreen webinar funnel in GetResponse is a fantastic way to automate your marketing and drive sales on autopilot, but it's not without its challenges. In this quick explainer, I'm going to show you how to create one, plus share some insights on how GetResponse compares to others out there, and why you might want to consider a few alternatives. Stick around until the end, because I'm also sharing a special deal you won't want to miss. First, let's talk about why an evergreen webinar funnel is so powerful. With an evergreen funnel, you're essentially setting up a webinar that runs on autopilot. This means that new leads can join your webinar at any time, watch the content, and be guided into making a purchase, even when you're asleep. And in GetResponse, setting this up is pretty straightforward, but not without some hurdles. To get started in GetResponse, first, you need to create the webinar itself. Head over to the Webinars section in your dashboard. This is where you'll set up all the details, like the title, date, time, and description. Make sure the title and description are compelling to get people to sign up. Keep in mind that GetResponse lets you customize your registration page so you can make it look professional and aligned with your brand. Next, the tricky part is integrating the webinar with your email list. You want to make sure you're capturing leads from your funnel to feed into your webinar. Here's the fourth thing you need to do. Set up your automated email sequence. After someone registers for your webinar, GetResponse will automatically send them confirmation emails, reminders, and follow-ups. However, the downside here is that while GetResponse's automation is decent, it can be a bit clunky compared to other platforms. If you're looking for deeper customization, this could feel limiting. Next, let's move on to the actual evergreen part. GetResponse allows you to automate the delivery of your webinar. You can set up the webinar to run on a specific schedule, or you can create an evergreen scenario where it's available at all times. This is where the platform shines, as it automatically registers people and sends them to the webinar room, just like a live event. Now, here's where GetResponse falls a bit short. The platform's funnel builder is not as intuitive as other tools out there. If you're a beginner, you might find yourself needing a lot of trial and error to get things right. The user interface is solid, but it lacks the sophistication and ease of use of competitors like ClickFunnels or Kartra. Those platforms have drag and drop functionality and cleaner workflows that make building your funnel easier and more intuitive. Next thing, tracking and analytics. GetResponse does offer good reporting, but it's not as in-depth as you'd expect from other marketing platforms. You'll get the basic stats like how many people signed up for your webinar and how many attended. However, if you need advanced tracking, like conversion metrics, GetResponse might leave you wanting more. To wrap up, GetResponse is a solid choice for creating an evergreen webinar funnel, but it's not the best option if you want the most customization, ease of use, or advanced analytics. If you're just starting out, it's worth considering, but if you want to take your funnel building to the next level, there are other platforms that can deliver a better experience. I mentioned alternatives earlier, and here's the thing, I've got an exclusive deal for you. Through my link, you'll get the best free trial available for GetResponse. But I also want to let you know that I've found some amazing alternatives that work better for the goal we discussed today, and they have free trials too. Click the link in the description to grab that exclusive deal and check out the competition. Trust me, you'll want to see the alternatives before you commit. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to stay up to date on all the best marketing tools.